So what is up mga tech shop, no? So I have here a TECNO POP 6 no power issue mga tech shop, no? So in this video I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot a no power issue for this particular model. So if you're interested in this kind of video mga tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll be attaching items on this video just in case you're interested in mobile repairs. So I'll attach the tools that I've been using in my repairs mga tech shop. So if you want to order, just click on those tag items and you'll be routed to the tools that I've been using. Let's go. So let's start with this assembly mga tech shop. So I'll be showing you step by step on troubleshooting this kind of issue mga tech shop. So the customer also complained that the power button won't work mga tech shop now. So we'll check that one later. So for now, let's make sure that dili na to mawagtang ang kaning volume o ang power. So ato i-secure first mga tech shop. Ayaw diri lang. Ayaw diri ba? Ayaw diri ba? Ay sus. Ang padayon eh. Ato dito cellphone ni lola ko. Pamuham to ko. Tusok na yung mata diha. So I'm just using sketch tape mga tech shop to secure the power button o volume button mga tech shop kay base niya mawagtang ni matagbaw tag pangita, no? Let's go. So best practices mga tech shop, just clean it first kung may mga abog-abog sa phone mga tech shop para to avoid further issues sa phone. And then continue ta sa disassembly process mga tech shop. So basic troubleshooting mga tech shop, itanggal nimong battery and then itaod og balik and try to turn it on. So sometimes it's gonna work, but in this case wala gihapon siya na fix mga tech shop. So napailaing problem ani. So next step mga tech shop, ato ipakita unsay next step na to. So next step is check na to if nabay mga water damage. So let's do physical inspection. So far walay water damage sa iyang motherboard. So let's check the charging board. So to test further mga tech shop, we'll be using multi-tester just to make sure if there's voltage going through from the charging board to the flex cable. So let's see if there's a voltage mga tech shop. If none, then there's something wrong with the charging board. Okay. And upon testing, mga shop, multi-tester cannot detect any voltage to the flex cable port, no? So wadi voltahe, mga shop. So let's go ahead and do a physical inspection on the charging board kasi na something wrong. So for this model, mga shop, ang iyang vibrator di ay, mga shop, is nakasolda sa charging board. So we'll need to desolder the wire that goes to the vibrator, mga shop. And upon checking, mga shop, no, gitaya ang iyang charging port mismo. So there's a corroded area in the charging port, so most likely that's the reason why it's not charging, no? So we'll need to replace a charging port for this model. So I have here different kinds of type D charging port, but I don't have the same charging port for this model, but I found almost identical, so I'll just use that charging port, mga shop. Siguro mugana ra ni siya, no? If dili, then we'll have to order a charging port kana exactly the same dude for this model, but for now we'll try this charging port almost the same, no? So let's remove the vibrator mga ka-chef, no. Ato lang painitan og soldering iron na matanggal na dayon na siya. So when replacing charging port mga ka-chef, no, you will need a microscope, a soldering iron, hot air, flux, and then of course the charging port itself, and you will need solder mask after you solder the new port to protect the connection from water damage or corrosion. So let's go ahead and try to remove this old charging port. So I just applied flux and then apply heat, and heat is set to 400 degrees Celsius. And then also you'll need a solder wick. So I'll just put all the tools that I've been using in my repairs mga tech shop and the tag items. So just in case you want to order, just check the tag items mga tech shop. So using solder wick mga tech shop and flux and then soldering iron, you can remove the old solder and then apply with a new one. Then just follow the process here. Apply heat. So once it is connected, you can apply solder lid on the legs of the new port, and then on those pins mga tech shop, make sure they are not connected together because they are separate. And if in case you put too much solder lid, you can use solder wick to desolder it. So pareha na mga tech shop, daghan ra kay solder. So gamitan na nako og solder wick, iyar na siya suyupon, and then apply lang nimo heat, mo okay na siya by applying heat. Alright, so it is soldered properly. The pins are not connected to each other, and then you will need to use tweezer to touch the pins mga tech shop. If mulihok ganin siya, meaning wala na siya mo-solder og tarong, so you'll need to make sure they are soldered properly, and then make sure to solder properly the legs of the charging port. And then finally you can put solder mask. Alright, and then to clean up, just apply alcohol and q-tips. So let's do some testing mga tech shop, no. Alright, so I'm checking if there's voltage available. So ni-move na ang tester mga tech shop, and as you can see there's 4.5 volts. So hopefully it's gonna work, no. Alright, so now it's charging mga tech shop na natay display. So we have a good sign here. And then a percentage, so that's a good sign, it shows normal. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So power switch is working mga tech shop, and we were able to power on the cell phone. So kanang pag solder sa charging port mga shop, medyo hassle na siya nga trabaho, and it will take time before you master it. So ako, first time na akong pag solder sa charging port, naglisod jud ko sa una, and then eventually sa pagsige na og practice, nakuha ra sad nako mga tech shop, nakakuha ra ko mga technique by watching videos, or actually pagtan-aw ni mog videos online mga tech shop, dili gayud ka cut-on jud, diha na ka makaton og tarong once you do it yourself, like actual agad, no? Kay lisod mo di handle ang soldering iron, so you'll need to practice it. So dapat maanad ang imong kamot mga tech shop. So kuan man na siya good eye and hand coordination, mo nang kinahanglan tag microscope kay para makita nato asa padulong ang soldering iron, no? And if you're interested to order the same microscope that I use on my repairs, I'll just attach it on this video, so check the tag items mga tech shop. So assembly process ito mga tech shop, na fix na nato ang issue. Power button is working, volume down is working, the volume up is not working, but the customer can adjust the volume through the screen. So okay ra na siya mga tech shop, unless mag-reset password ta niya, kinahanglan og volume up, kana additional charge kina siya mga tech shop, kay we'll need to replace the power switch. Okay, ang power switch may ang volume up is connected with the volume down and power switch. So the whole circuit ang imong lista na, the whole flex power switch flex.